Welcome back, guys. Today is going to be a bit of an adventure. It's sort of late morning now, and the plan is to go and seek out a fruit vendor. My friend goes to this guy regularly, and I hope to get a little video of him and what his operation is all about and get to know him a bit. And so hopefully I will be able to share that with you guys later in this video. And then we're going to a restaurant called Pachies, which is on the other side of Montego Bay, heading towards Negril. And apparently they have the really best steamed fish with okra and fried fish. And my friend tells me that it is flavored right to the bone. So we are going to go and check that out. And hopefully I'll be able to also get some footage there, so that you can see this place. I've never been. I've heard about this place, but I've never been. Sound like I'm cutting some grass up here, so you might hear the machine. But I'm just showing you a little walk and telling you what to expect later on in this video. And this is day 3 here, guys. And it is a beautiful day, as you can see. And I'm heading up here. Yes, they're definitely working on the grounds. Come in. And we're gonna go out here. It is a beautiful spot. I think I showed this to you last year, but hey, it doesn't get old, so I'm sure you won't mind me showing it to you again. And it is hot, man. But you know, when the heat just feels right. Look at this beautiful day, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And just a gentle breeze. As you can see, the trees aren't moving too much, so it's not too much breeze. Usually that picks up later on in the afternoon. And yeah, they're taking amazing care of this property. Oops, careful. Yep, guys, this is where I'll be splashing into later on to cool off, for sure. So yeah, that's my little morning walk. Not a very long one. I want to tell you, say, should have put on shoes because the concrete, the tiles I'm walking on are not cool. Okay, wood. And then let's go on the grass. Yikes. It's hot, hot, hot. Okay, you. Boy. So yeah, that's what's happening here, guys. It's so beautiful. So I will share a little bit more of our day. I plan to just go to different spots and film the things that I'm doing and put them all together for you guys so that you can come along on this vacation with me. Okay? Wish you were all here. It would be a big crowd, but it would be a lot of fun. See you later. Enjoy the rest of the video. I wasn't gonna film this, guys, but I'm walking along on the grass and I just smell almond, you know? I could just smell the sweet smell of almond, and when I look down, I feel something under my foot. Look down, and there are so many almonds that have dropped off of this amazing almond tree, so I have to show you. Okay, look at that beautiful almond tree. Look at the coverage on it, right? And see the almonds on it, man. So many almonds. And then when you look down, that is why I was smelling the almonds. As a child, we used to walk and pick them up. This one not so beautiful on this side, but look at that. We used to gather the prettiest looking ones and eat them. I don't know if you know about this, but these are really sweet. And yes, this is where almonds come from. But look at the almond tree. Look at that one over there. If I find a pretty one to take. It's that one. They all have a little bit of, because they've been on the ground, eh? But look at that. Yeah, so there you go. I had to share this. Oh my God, these almond trees. Coconut tree. When you know, you know. Vibes. Only in Jamaica, guys. These two guys are pulling along some sort of barge with concrete blocks on them. I can't even tell you how that is afloat. But this is wild. Where are they going? The struggle is real and pulling hard. And they're not young neither, you know. But they're moving. That is determination right there. I love it. This is great.
Okay, there's one fruit man that's left. One banana park right here, so the next one is a beer, so we have to
This is great.
Yes.
It's the road from Old Bay to Negril.
Jamaica turns first. We're with the highway.
Yeah, serious.
And then on the side of the road up here is one of the fruit man.
Okay, so we're stopping there first?
No.
Okay.
Because then it's just going to get
Yeah, exactly.
hot in the car.
There's a fruit man. Yeah, he does mountain.
The pineapple here is sweet.
Love a sugarloaf pine. Love sugarloaf.
Cute. So this to the left coming up, we're going to see some construction.
Yeah.
This is where the Chinese are building 4. I think they're going to be like, I don't know how many stories, 25, 35 stories.
Where?
Like towers. You see where the green thing is?
Yeah.
So they're building 4 mega towers. And it's going to be a mixture between a hotel and living, like high ends.
Right
Big-
there.
right up to the beach. 4 towers going into the beach. It's going to have its own soft. And this is Tara to the left.
Oh, this is Pinnacle.
This is Pinnacle here. And then Tara's there. So I'm going to drive you there.
Okay.
Now from here, it looks horrible because of the location. But when you get in there, it's like Norbrook.
Whoa.
So that's where Simon and Lincoln live. And that's where my property is.
Okay.
I'm show you.
Nice. Hopewell coming up at Sandy Bay and Joe Bay the roads to them.
Drive.
On Pele.
Drive
I
through
was looking at the
Sandy.
Pinnacle website. They have like 5,000 square foot penthouse.
Yeah,
What?
for a couple $1 million.
Sweet.
Right?
That's the road up
That's another fruit man up there. He's good coconuts.
ready to read.
Yeah, Pinnacle.
Road to
The
those.
issue is with the Pinnacle, they were like selling,
Yeah.
and then they put in a rule that you can't do Airbnb there. So you have to put it into a system where they rent for you as part of the hotel, and all of a sudden sales stop.
God is
They
in
probably
it.
Yeah.
take a piece of it then.
What's that?
It's probably not as profitable like that.
No. So like for me, I was thinking buying into it because I was like, you know, you go in at the ground and you get like a nice 2-bedroom for like, let's say 600. And
This
this
is
is like
pretty.
high-end living. So I thought, my gosh, that would do great. Like as an Airbnb or a short-term rental. Now they're like, they won't allow it. So either you live there and make it your home, or you put it into the hotel pool. And another, they tried to do that at Rose Hall, but that has not worked. The whole place, they had to sell it to a hotel. People lost so much money on their investments. But if they let Airbnb and do like rental properties,
It would do so well.
it would do so.
Because the location
You
is
buy
prime.
there, you have a sandals manager, you rent it for $4,000. This is brand spanking new. They're living in a resort to work. Multiple pools, beach, a yacht club. Soleil did it. They don't want Airbnb. Soleil is only about a quarter occupied.
It's just past trial. Passing.
And we're here. This is Pachies.
So we reach Pachies.
Coming up on the right side.
These guys.
Welcome to Pachies.
Thank you. I'm excited to try this fish. Well, we've just been told some bad news that the chefs are not here and we don't know what time they're coming. Got that planting. Then you hear. Look at all of it, nice display. But that is not the best news that we've heard for the day. I will come here looking for fish.
Snapper and carrot, but
Boy, the freezer kind of.
Really small today.
Yes.
but there's no chef. What time the chef is coming?
By 1 o'clock, by the next half an hour time. They're really late today, so.
They're late
This
today.
is it.
Yeah, this is it for now, but they know.
So when
the
these
fisherman is
fish,
coming.
what time is the fisherman coming?
They'll be here soon, because normally they come in 1, 2 o'clock those time, you know?
Okay.
So anything gonna do today
Kevin.
is like escovitch or support,
Okay.
right?
So we have to wait a little bit. Well, that's not so bad. We can wait. Look at the beautiful spot though, guys. You know? And I see a bag of conch over there. See it? So this is it. A simple little place right by the beach. And we just have to wait till the people them come. But you have conch though. You have conch. But that's good. That's fish we want. I wouldn't mind a conch still. But look guys. Oh man. I know you cannot feel it, but the sea breeze right here so it's lovely.
Beautiful weather,
Lovely, lovely.
beautiful weather, beautiful everything.
So a long time you working here? You don't mind me video? You don't mind me?
So mine.
Alright. So you work here a long time?
Yeah, about a year and a half now, and I'm loving it.
You love it?
Great.
Alright. So what is your name?
I'm Omar, you know?
Omar. Nice to meet you, Omar.
Wonderful.
I have a YouTube channel called Countrywide Jamaican.
That's right.
And I'm just sharing, and there's a lot of Jamaican people that live all over the world that tune in, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to take them on my little trip.
Well, once you're here at Perth, we can get a lot of views.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
That sounds good. That sounds good. What a pretty place. Wow, look at these onions.
We're gonna make sure
Omar is hard at work. Esca Beach.
Yeah.
Nice.
we're gonna watch.
So you get a lot of business here?
Yeah, for sure.
Whole heap of people come? Yeah. All right.
We don't have enough fish to save.
Not enough fish. Right. Come and see the freezer empty there now. But you said the fisherman go and bring fish.
Yeah, man, today, I get a lot of fish today.
Okay.
By later, 2 o'clock, after 1,
Okay.
go somewhere.
That's not too long from now. I'm happy to wait.
That's right.
Nice to meet you. I can't wait to see the fish next. All right. Thanks so much.
What's your channel again?
Country White Jamaica.
White.
Yeah. All right. They must look out for the video. All right. Good, good. Thank you, man. I respect. Respect. So while we're waiting on the big fish, we're going to have a little fried fish, the little small ones, as an appetizer because they look like it won't be a while before the chef come and the fish start to run. So we're going to try this.
Pachies, she can film you for TV.
Can fill you for YouTube.
For YouTube TV.
No problem, man.
No problem.
She has fully for viewers.
Wow, guys, look at this fish.
Come back, Pachies. Yeah, come back later.
Boy, escavage.
Oh, and
Oh
what is
my
it?
gosh.
Close shoes and window.
Actually, this looks great. Like, looks so good.
Coming back tonight, even I sent Kevin to pick up the fish.
Okay.
I can do that. Give us $2. Send Kevin. Pick on it's nice.
Patrick is dishing out some nice escavage fish here. That looks so good.
Yeah.
I hope I'm not making you guys jealous here, but this is looking really good and you should smell it. Come on. This is such a nice little spot, guys.
I can take you now.
Here's my son.
And some plants. I can get an exercise thing.
No. Why you want it?
Yeah.
Must be hot in this kitchen, eh?
Don't know how he does it.
Wow, a 6. So that was our time at Pachies. It was fantastic. That fish was amazing, you guys. Like, we just kept ordering and ordering, and we thought we were waiting for big fish, but we weren't waiting for big fish. We were eating small fish, and it was great. The flavor was, and we ate the head, the tail, everybody. You know how it go already. So, and the bami was nice, plantain. It was just the perfect meal, and just as you can see, the surroundings, right? So I'm just sharing this with you while we are on our little road trip back into Montego Bay. And I might just play some rhythms for you and make you just go and watch the view. Wow, listen to the thunder behind me. Of course, I'm back in Canada when I'm filming this little bit. But yeah, enjoy the road trip back to Montego Bay, guys. And please share this video, subscribe, like, comment, tell me all your stories. I just love to hear them. And I really appreciate your support. I super do. So thank you and enjoy the ride.